हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं 36 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो कि 22 मई के फर्स्ट शिफ्ट और सेकंड शिफ्ट दोनों शिफ्ट में पूछे गए हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर आर द फेमस पन्ना डायमंड माइंस लोकेटेड इन इंडिया? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, मध्य प्रदेश। Question number 2. To which Indian state is the Gaudiya dance form traditionally related? The correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Question number 3. When did India win its first ICC Cricket World Cup? The correct answer is option D, 1983. Question number 4. During whose reign did the great Sanskrit poet Kalidasa flourish? The correct answer is option D, Chandragupta second. Question number 5. Which statutory body releases the National Air Quality Index data in India? The correct answer is option C, Central Pollution Control Board. Question number 6. Which legislative act formally ended the rule of British East India Company in India? The correct answer is option C, Government of India Act 1858. Question number 7. What is the traditional spring festival of Holi primarily called in West Bengal? The correct answer is option C, Dol Jatra. Question number 8. What is the physical process of a substance changing from a liquid state to a gaseous state called? The correct answer is option C, evaporation. Question number 9. Which scheduled edition of the Multi-Sport Asian Games will be held in the year 2026? The correct answer is option C, 20th edition. Question number 10. What is the designated official tenure of the Secretary General of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? The correct answer is option B, 3 years. Question number 11. What is the correct standard Hindi spelling of the word Bimari, disease? The correct answer is option D. Question number 12. At what approximate time between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock will be the clock hands from a sharp 15-degree angle? The correct answer is option C, 10:51. Question number 31. Question number 13. In which financial year was the gender budget statement first formally introduced in the Indian Union budget? The correct answer is option C, 2005 to 2006. Question number 14. How much budget was allocated for the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana welfare program in the 2025 to 26 Union budget? The correct answer is option A, 2.3 lakh crore. Question number 15. What is the common term used in governance and administration for the essential security and safety services provided by the police to the public? The correct answer is option A, law and order. Question number 16. Which pair of specialized swimming stroke styles are officially recognized in competitive swimming? The correct answer is option B, backstroke and breaststroke. Question number 17. In which months of the calendar year to 2016 were there exactly 5 Fridays? The correct answer is option B, March, June, September and December. Question number 18. Who was the Tomar dynasty ruler responsible for constructing the historic Lalkot fort in the 11th century? The correct answer is option C, Anangpal Tomar. Question number 19. In which year did the Mumbai Indians capture the championship title in the inaugural edition of the Women's Premier League? The correct answer is option C, 2023. Question number 20. Which highest civilian honor of Guyana was presented to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in November 2024? The correct answer is option B, the Order of Excellence. Question number 21. What was the agrarian land revenue tax based on the meticulous land measurement introduced by Sultan Alauddin Khilji called? The correct answer is option A, Kharaj or Masahat. Question number 22. To which Hindu deity's divine female enchantress form is the classical dance form Mohiniyattam dedicated? The correct answer is option C, Lord Vishnu. Question number 23. In which Indian state is the famous active Hutti gold mine located? The correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Question number 24. Which type of coastal forest ecosystem characterizes the dense trees stands of the Sundarbans in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta? The correct answer is option B, mangrove or tidal forests. Question number 25. Which foundational governance features were primarily adopted from the United States Constitution for the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option A, fundamental rights and judicial review. Question number 26. Where is the strategic administrative headquarters of the Western Command of the Indian Army located? The correct answer is option A, Chandi Mandir, Haryana. Question number 27. Which city and country location is hosting the 20th Asian Games in 2026? The correct answer is option C, Aichi, Nagoya, Japan. Question number 28. Through which technological mechanism are government subsidies transferred directly into Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana bank accounts? The correct answer is option D, DBT, direct benefit transfer. Question number 29. Up to what maximum age can an eligible girl child welfare account be opened under the Sukyana Samriddhi Yojana? The correct answer is option D, up to 10 years of age. Question number 30. The clay musical instrument Ghatam is traditionally considered an auditory symbol of which deity's divine vibration? The correct answer is option B, Lord Shiva. Question number 31. Which microscopic cellular organelle is universally termed the powerhouse of the cell? The correct answer is option B, mitochondria. Question number 32. In memory of which milestone scientific event is National Space Day celebrated annually in India on August 23rd? The correct answer is option C, the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 on the moon. Question number 33. What are the exact grammatical antonyms for the Hindi words Unnati, progress, and Dand, punishment, respectively? The correct answer is option B, Avnati and Puraskar. Question number 34. Who holds the primary day-to-day financial responsibility for preventing unauthorized entry into a commercial or private premise? The correct answer is option B, the security guard. Question number 35. What is the formal legal term for the institutional process of conducting legal proceedings against an accused individual in a court of law? The correct answer is option D, prosecution. Question number 36. What is the standard prescribed time duration for singing the full version of Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Please comment your answer, like this video and subscribe to the channel for watching the latest videos. Thank you for watching.